Greetings from the road. I'm literally in the middle of nowhere, Texas, and I'm driving down the road. And I see this every once in a while, places like this. And I'll rarely stop, but there's some real interesting vehicles back there. But the thing that really caught my eye see if you see it. I'm trying to hold the camera up high. You're looking at a couple of Airstream Wee-Wins, I think. Those are the most valuable Airstream models. And they don't appear to have damage to them. That's really unusual. You rarely see one, let alone two. The irony is, back in the day, that was the cheapest model. Today, that's the most expensive sought-after model. Jesus, take the wheel. Got a couple of wagons there. Boy, that's a rare pair. I've never seen two together. I rarely see one. Maybe every few years I'll see one. You've got two there. Don't ask me where this is at, because I ain't going to tell you. Little canned ham here. Another canned ham, nice old truck there. Whoa! Walked right into that spider. Yeah, that ain't good. So let's get back away from his web. Zoom in on that. Where'd you go, spider? Oh, he's right there. Well, I'll leave you with that. Neat old truck here. Boy, isn't this a find? Wouldn't you like to get back in there? Get your wallet out. See if you can buy something. Do you know what these frames are, Dennis? Do you know what these frames are off of?
Yeah, they're all marked here on the side of the frame.
Okay.
There's one that's 40 Mercury,
There we go. Got a multi frame here. 40 Merc frame.
44.
Wow, this guy, is this your brother? Man, boy, somebody can sure print. 35 to 44. 35 to 44. So we got some frames here to pick from. Now tell us about these two cars here. This looks like a Chevy.
Yeah, 46, 47 Chevy. I never had much luck identifying the old Chevys, but they're 46, 47, 48.
Now these are complete cars. They probably have titles.
I don't know if these do for sure or not.
Okay.
And they are what they call the, people refer to them as a German helmet because of that bustle back trunk on them.
Right.
So they look like the old World War II helmets, German helmets.
Okay, the best I can do is this flashlight. So again, everything you see in here is for sale. And you're going to see stuff here that is just amazing. So bear with me as I slowly walk through.
A lot of those wheels, Jim, are like old accessory wheels for early Fords, most of them.
That we see up there.
They're wheels such as Kelsey Hayes wire wheels,
Okay.
General Jumbo, Firestone.
What's that motor we're looking at right there?
That is a 235 Chevy 6-cylinder.
Is that a running motor?
I can't tell you for sure.
Okay, so we're gonna, let me follow you in here. We're gonna go in here into the next room. Now, tell us about this car here that we're looking at.
Well, that's a 30 Model A two-door sedan. As far as I know, it's a car that either is running or could be made to run without too much work. And next to that is the remains. It's a basket case of a Model A panel truck, like a half-ton panel.
This is really hard to find if you're looking for a panel truck. It's structurally sound. Where did you guys get this at?
That was in Grand Rapids, Michigan.
Grand Rapids, Michigan. Okay. And here's where it gets really interesting. Up there we have a homemade pedal car, right?
Yeah.
Got some
Few tricycles.
few tricycles there. We got motors here, folks.
More Chevrolet 6-cylinders.
Got a section of a hood. Got ammo boxes with God knows what in it.
There you go.
Rear ends. Here's the back of that body. I'll try to get a shot of the rear of it. Again, this is in good shape.
I think the side panels are laying inside the car there, the sheet metal part of it.
Okay, let me walk out here with you. Got another tricycle here. Aren't you guys glad that I brought a light in here? I'm starting to think about dark spaces. It takes me a while, but I'm progressing. Got motors over here. Got sheet metal over here. Okay, I'm going to stop this video. We're going to continue.